How to control the scale, rotation, and distance of objects on a curve using geometry nodes. Open Geometry Node Editor, and with the curve selected, add a new geometry node setup. By pressing Shift-A or from Add over here, search for Curve to Points, Object Info Node, Instance on Points, and Value Node. This node turns our curve into a set of points the object will follow. Object Info Node is where we pick the object we want to repeat, and I will use this sphere. Now connect them into Instance on Points, and just like that, the sphere follows the curve. Plug the Value node into Scale to control the size of every instance with a single number. From the Curve to Points node, you can choose to control either the count of the objects or the distance between them. Now, if you switch the sphere for another object, you might notice the rotation looks off. And to control that, I will add a Transform Geometry node right after Object Info node, and rotate it manually until it looks right. Then I will use Rotation to Vector node. It makes every instance follow the direction of the curve. Now connect Tangent to Vector and Rotation to Rotation Input on Instance on Points. Then set the correct axis. Add Realize Instances and set Material so you can apply the material from this node. Last step, connect these to the group input so you can control the scale, rotation, and distance from the modifier panel.